Do you have a small living room and feel like you're running out of ideas to make it stylish, cozy, and functional? Don't worry, small spaces can actually look more creative than big ones when designed the right way. In today's video, we're going to explore 80 small living room design ideas for 2026. From smart layouts and space-saving hacks to trending decor styles, I'll show you how to transform your compact space into a warm, functional, and modern living area. So grab a notebook, because I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of design inspiration for your own home. 1. The power of layout in small rooms. Let's start with the basics, layout. In a small living room, how you place your furniture can completely change how spacious or cramped it feels. Floating sofas away from walls can actually make the room feel bigger than pushing them directly against the wall. For very tiny spaces, go for sectional sofas with slim arms and clean lines. They seat more people without looking bulky. Try a diagonal layout. Placing furniture at an angle sometimes creates more flow and avoids that boxed-in feeling. And here's a pro tip: use lightweight chairs instead of big armchairs so you can easily move them around when needed. 2. Multifunctional and smart furniture. In 2026, furniture is no longer just furniture, it's multitasking furniture. A coffee table with hidden storage can hold books, remotes, or even extra pillows. Pull-out sofa beds instantly turn your living room into a guest room. Foldable side tables are great for small apartments. Use them when you need, and tuck them away when you don't. Even modular furniture is a trend. Pieces that can be rearranged into different layouts depending on the occasion. The idea is simple: make every piece of furniture earn its spot in the room. 3. Color palettes that make small rooms feel bigger. Color has a magical effect in small spaces. Light shades like whites, creams, pastels, and soft grays will always make the room look open and airy. But 2026 is about balance. Mix in bold accent shades like emerald green, deep blue, or burnt orange on cushions, throws, or a single wall. You can also try the tone-on-tone trend, using different shades of the same color. For example, light beige walls, a darker beige sofa, and a cream rug. This creates depth while keeping the room unified. Metallic touches, like gold or brass frames, are also in style, adding a touch of luxury without overwhelming the space. 4. Statement walls and creative accents. A small living room doesn't mean boring. One standout feature can completely transform the space. Accent walls with textured wallpaper or bold colors instantly draw the eye. Wood panels or slats are trending. They add warmth and dimension. For an artistic touch, consider a gallery wall with framed prints or family photos. If you love luxury, go with marble or stone finishes on the TV wall. The key is to keep it balanced. Too many bold walls can feel crowded, but one strong feature makes a small room unforgettable. 5. Maximize vertical space. When floor space is limited, go vertical. Install tall shelves or wall-mounted cabinets all the way to the ceiling. This makes the room look taller. Use floating shelves for books, plants, or decorative pieces instead of heavy storage units. Even hanging lights or tall floor lamps help draw the eyes upward, creating a sense of height. Remember, a small living room isn't about less. It's about being smart with the space you already have. 6. Cozy minimalism, the 2026 trend. One of the strongest design movements for 2026 is cozy minimalism. This is not the cold, empty minimalism of the past. It's about warm tones, soft textures, and simple but welcoming designs. Choose a sofa with simple lines but add cozy throws and textured cushions. Keep your coffee table clutter-free, but add one stylish vase or candle. Layer textures, a soft rug, linen curtains, and a wooden side table, instead of using too many colors. This creates a living room that feels calm, organized, and super inviting. 7. Lighting that expands your space. Lighting is the secret weapon of small living rooms. Here's how to use it. Use layered lighting, a ceiling light, wall sconces, and a few lamps instead of just one overhead light. In 2026, LED strip lighting is popular. Place it behind TV panels, under shelves, or around ceilings for a futuristic look. Go for warm light tones, golden, soft white. They make the room feel cozy. Mirrors plus lighting equals magic. Place a mirror opposite a light source, and it will bounce light around, instantly doubling the sense of space. 8. Nature and indoor plants. Plants make even the tiniest living rooms feel alive. Use tall corner plants to fill unused spaces. Hanging planters save floor space while adding greenery. Small succulents or tabletop plants on shelves and coffee tables give a fresh touch. And here's a pro hack. Pair green plants with light-colored pots to keep the look clean and modern. 9. 2026 Small Living Room Trends. This year's designs focus on comfort, curves, and sustainability. Curved sofas and round tables are big in 2026. They soften the boxy look of small rooms. Neutral palettes with earthy undertones, shades of beige, terracotta, and soft browns, are replacing the old black and white contrast. Sustainable design is trending. Recycled wood, eco-friendly fabrics, and second-hand furniture styled in a modern way. Smart furniture, like coffee tables with wireless charging, modular TV units, and built-in hidden storage, is a game changer. And finally, layered textures, wool rugs, linen curtains, velvet cushions, give small living rooms a luxury feel without adding clutter. 10. Bonus hacks for small living rooms. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra hacks. Use mirrors strategically to create depth. Choose transparent furniture like glass or acrylic. They almost disappear, making the room feel bigger. Stick to consistent flooring. One type of wood or tile throughout makes the space seamless. Hide clutter in multi-purpose storage, under benches, inside ottomans, or behind sliding panels. And my favorite tip, keep a balance between empty and filled spaces. Don't fill every corner, let the room breathe. And that's it, 80 small living room design ideas for 2026 that prove small spaces can be just as stylish, functional, and luxurious as big ones. So tell me, which idea are you going to try? Do you prefer the cozy minimalist vibe, the bold statement wall, or the multifunctional smart furniture trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video gave you inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest interior design ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more home inspiration.